Hey guys, welcome to this channel, and we are on to how to fix PLDT no internet. Okay, first question that we need to ask ourselves, is the modem on? That's the first question, because if the Wi-Fi modem is not on or not plugged in, it definitely will not be able to give your devices any internet connection. Second, make sure all the lights are green and no red light blinking or LOS blinking. Okay, and if all of that two questions have been answered correctly and they're all checked, and still you find out that you have no internet connection, which will show like so, like this one here, no internet connection. All right, so no matter, even if you've connected your LAN cable already, LAN cable is there, this one, you've connected that right into the LAN1, LAN cable 1, LAN port 1, and still you got no internet connection. Next option you will need to do is restart the modem. To restart your modem, you have to power it off first. Now, sorry about this, I already stick my modem here. You need to press this button here, like that, and it's off. So no more lights blinking. And then you have to unplug the modem. So this is the plug. It's unplugged. And then plug it back in and turn it back on again. And see all the lights. If there's any. Okay, let me turn off my light so that you will see if all the lights are blinking. Okay, let's wait for that. It's resetting. It's taking a while to get started, but yeah, all the lights are coming in. Now there are two lights. If the problem persists after this, we'll have to do a master reset, just a heads up. Okay, now those lights are green and they're blinking. It means there's internet connection, and there is internet connection. Okay, well, as we can see again here, still got no internet connection. The next option I do is unplug the cable, this cable, the LAN cable, because my laptop is connected via LAN cable. So I remove this. Okay, let's wait for a while before that can connect. And then you put it in the first LAN port. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. You start reading from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you plug it into the LAN 1, first port. That's right there. And then let's go back to our PC. Okay, let me see. Oh, perfect. It's awesome. There is already an Ethernet cable successfully connected. Let's try and find out and see if we already got internet connection. Alright. Says no internet. Let me see. Let me load up YouTube here. YouTube. and let's play some videos to make sure it's connected. So a while ago we got this symbol here, no internet. So we open a new tab, YouTube. Maybe you play some videos. What is this? Okay.
Steve and Dave use eToro to invest in the financial markets. Steve does research on global investment opportunities. Dave does research on how to become a level 60 wizard. Steve follows the feed for the latest market news. Dave follows the feed for the latest cat videos. Steve has a watch list for
Google Chrome not responding. Sorry about that.
Dave has a watch list too. Is Steve. It's because Dave used eToro's copy trader to automatically replicate Steve's trading. Hi, good morning, Sunda. The morning hashtag Sunda star requests.
Okay, yeah. So there is internet connection. That's definitely the YouTube. Okay, or you can open some email also to make sure. Okay, maybe Facebook. Let me see if that loads up. Yeah, Facebook is there. It doesn't say. And let me load up my admin page for the PLDT. Okay, and password. And right, so we're into the login page. Network security, everything is there. And definitely our internet is working as far as the icon here states Ethernet. And once you hover your mouse on it, it will show you internet access. Okay. Yes. So okay, so that's how you check if you have no internet. Make sure all the modem is on. At least maybe restart the modem, and then after restarting, make sure all the cables are plugged in properly. That's as simple as that. If the problem still persists, you can do master reset. Okay, now that master reset involves pressing down the reset button. There's a reset button, like when you look at the modem, the reset button is here. See the reset. You just need to long press and get a pin, or yeah, any pin that can fit into the hole, and just press it down for about 5 seconds, and then release the keys or release the pin, and then your modem, for example, after pressing it down and releasing those the pin, after 5 seconds, all these lights will be gone. The only light that will be left is this one, and your modem is going to come back to its default. It's going to come back after 5, maybe 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then yeah, it's reset to default. It means it's factory reset. So whatever password that you have created through this website, the PLDT admin, is all going to be reset also. So the default password is right at the back of this modem. Okay, I hope you've learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to everyone. And thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.